DRG Kids.
Story: Two Thieves. In a city lived two thieves named Ranga and Billa. One night, both of them were sitting and they were talking.
Hey brother Billa, nowadays our work has become very difficult.
Yes, brother Ranga, you are absolutely correct. People have become very smart these days. Everyone has CCTVs in their homes.
Nothing is happening the right way. I think we have to think of some twisted way now.
But, brother, what do we have to do for that?
Nowadays astrologers are in a lot of demand. I was thinking of picking up this profession.
What are you saying, brother? Do you know anything about astrology?
Oh no. This is not any science. This is also a little trick. You just do one thing. Just put an ad in the paper about a new astrologer and then see the fun.
The newspaper prints the ad for the new astrologer the next day. Ranga has disguised himself with a false beard to look like an astrologer. Mohan, a businessman, sees this ad in the morning newspaper.
Oh, I was looking for a learned person like him. My business is going very bad. But I did not know whom to talk to. I was confused. And now see this. It's an ad of an astrologer in the papers. I will go and meet him today.
After saying this, Mohan goes to meet the fake astrologer Ranga at his given address. Outside it is written Astrologer Ramananda. He enters the building. Billa is already sitting there. Yes, brother, who are you?
I want to meet astrologer Ramananda.
Yes, you have come to the right place. But if you want to meet him, you will have to wait a little.
But why?
But he is busy now.
Okay. He seems to be a very busy astrologer.
Till Baba is busy inside, we could talk a little here. Billa makes a call to Ranga and keeps his phone aside so that Ranga could hear them talk.
My name is Mohan. I stay very close. I'm a businessman, but these days my work is not going so well. That's why I want to meet astrologer Ramananda.
Ranga, who is sitting inside, he is hearing everything whatever Mohan is telling Billa.
This is amazing. Billa has trapped this man so well that he himself is talking everything about him. Let me call him now.
He rings a bell which is kept outside. Go, brother, go inside. Your turn has come. Mohan goes inside Ranga's room.
Come Mohan, come.
How do you know my name, sir?
I know your name and profession as well. I know everything about you. I know everything. Come, sit.
Mohan seats himself on the chair in front. Then Ranga studies Mohan's palms and he says,
Nowadays you are very sad. Your business is not doing well.
Yes, sir. You are absolutely correct.
Oh, but what is this? A huge problem is about to come to you. You are going to be in a big problem very soon.
What problem, sir? Please tell me a way to save myself from this problem.
Take this. Wear this on the little finger of your right hand. This will save you from the problem.
Give it to me, sir.
Take this and pay me 40,000 rupees for this ring.
40,000? But I do not have so much money with me right now, sir.
This ring is not just any other ring. This has a chant of 50,000 mantras. This is a pious ring. Upon wearing this, your business will run smoothly and your problem will be averted too.
I do not have so much money right now. I can only give 5,000 for now.
Okay. Right now you give me this much and take the ring. When your work is completed, you can come and pay the balance.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
saying this, Mohan leaves from there.
Billa! Billa! Now whatever needs to be done will be done by Billa.
Mohan is going towards his house and Billa is sitting on the top of a coconut tree. The moment Mohan is about to pass from below, Billa throws a coconut on his head.
Oh my god! Such a big coconut! Thank God I'm fine. The coconut fell from top, but my head was saved. I understood everything now. Sir has spoken about this problem. This coconut could have fallen on my head also, but this ring saved my life.
Mohan starts praising the astrologer to everyone. Very soon, the false astrologer has a queue outside his chamber. People have started coming in swarms to meet him. They take rings from them, and in turn they pay heavy amounts. In the night, Ranga and Billa are having conversation.
I am enjoying this.
Yes, people are paying lakhs of rupees, and that too with respect. The next day, while Ranga is disguised as an astrologer on his way, then he sees Inspector Vijay, who is coming from the other side. Hey Ranga, see there, Inspector Vijay is coming. If he sees us, we will again be put inside the jail.
You fool, tell me. How will he recognize me like this? You hide and see how I make a fool out of him.
Ranga comes to the inspector and tells him.
What happened, son? You look very tensed.
Yes, sir. I'm very tensed.
Inspector Vijay, you are not getting your promotion. This is your concern, right?
Yes, you are absolutely right, sir. Every time my promotion gets cancelled at the last minute, I cannot understand what to do. But who are you? And how do you know so much about me?
Yes, I know everything. Praise the Lord. Listen, your promotion will happen very easily if you wear this ring from me. But the cost of this is 40,000 rupees.
If this can happen, then I will pay right now.
He pays Ranga and wears the ring.
Go, son, go. Your time is going to change now, and nobody can stop this.
Thank you so much. You are God sent.
No, son, no. I'm just a disciple of the Lord.
Saying this, Ranga leaves from there. Vijay also seems happy now at his home.
Now I have Sir with me. Now I will surely become the commissioner.
He's very happy after a long time, and then he asks his birth chart from his wife.
Seema, where is my birth chart?
It's kept in the cupboard. Take it.
Seema, where is my birth chart?
Vijay takes out a roll of paper from the cupboard.
This must be my birth chart. Now I will go to Sir again. No one can stop my promotion anymore.
He visits Ranga with his birth chart with him. Ranga is sitting in front of him in meditation dressed as an astrologer.
Sir, can I directly become the commissioner?
Praise the Lord. Yes, yes, why not? Let me see your birth chart first.
Then Ranga sees Vijay's birth chart and then he says,
Satan is in the 5th house and it's eyeing the Mercury. Your moon's position is in the 3rd spot. You cannot become the commissioner. Never ever for sure. All the positions are wrong.
Don't say this, sir. Please see my birth chart once again. Help me with a solution, please. I'm ready to do it. Whatever may be the expense for it.
Okay. Then pay 1 lakh now. And on Saturday, bring other 3 lakhs. Then I will do a puja of your horoscope so that all the faults in your stars are cleared and new opportunities open up.
Vijay pays the money to the astrologer and then he takes his birth chart and leaves from there.
My God, what is this? This is the plan for my new house. That means he's not an astrologer. He was scamming me.
Saying so, Vijay again goes back to Ranga Billa.
What happened, son? What do you want now?
I don't want anything now. It's you who needs a trip to the jail. You were reading my birth chart whilst looking at my house plan? You were scamming me?
Hey, no.
You both are in grave trouble. Let's take a trip to the jail.
Inspector Vijay arrests both Ranga and Billa.